Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to write a summary for your Indeed resume. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Indeed.com website right here, and after doing that, you'll be greeted by this main page where you can go ahead and log into your account. So to be able to upload a resume and a summary, you have to go ahead and sign into your account, and you can do that by clicking the sign in button that will appear right here in the upper right corner. And after logging in, you'll be now greeted back with this home page. You can see here our profile icon right here, we can see our messages and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to upload a resume. To be able to upload a resume, all we have to do is click this profile icon right here in the upper right corner. So click on the profile icon, and this is now going to open up this new menu with options, and then you want to go ahead and click the first option right here that says profile. Open up profile, and now as you can see, this is our new profile page where we have the option to upload a resume or build an Indeed resume. So what you can do is go ahead and click on the upload resume button. So guys, you will need to upload already written resume, and if you want to learn how to write a summary in that, you can search for something like how to write summary in Indeed resume or how to just write a summary in resume. Doesn't matter, just for it, and you will have a lot of tutorials on the internet that says how to do this and how to accomplish this, what steps you need to take. And after you have finished that guys and saved it on your PC, your resume and your summary, you'll be able to upload it right here using this button, and after that it's going to appear on your PC and on your account. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.